Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Blueair 200 Series Classic Intelligent Air Purifier. Thank you to Best Buy for sending me this product for free to try. During our home renovation, I had concerns about all the construction dust we were creating as we cut, patched, and sanded the walls. Not only did this cause a perpetual haze, the dust would settle on surfaces throughout the home on a daily basis, so we needed an air purifier with a HEPA filter to capture these particles and keep our breathable air clean. This is the Blueair Classic 280i, and it comes with an instruction manual. The unit measures 21 inches tall, 16.5 inches wide, and 8 inches thick. The weight is about 25 pounds. On top, the front half is a lid that flips up to reveal the touch control panel. You have a Wi-Fi button and indicator, power button, filter life indicator, auto mode, VOC indicators, and PM 2.5 indicator. The body of the unit is made of sheet metal, while the handle for the filter door and hinged lid on the top are plastic. The unit doesn't have wheels on the bottom, just 6 plastic feet that are not rubberized for grip on smooth surfaces, so be aware that it could slide around. If you do need to move the unit, it can be picked up using the built-in handles on the sides. The machine is rated for 120 volt AC power and consumes about 80 watts per hour. You'll need to remove the protective plastic sheet from the pre-installed filter inside the unit, as indicated by this red sticker. Open the grated door on the back by pulling firmly on the handle on the right-hand side, then remove the sticker and filter. My unit came pre-installed with the Smoke Stop series filter, which captures fine dust particles, pollen, mold, and viruses, as well as VOCs, odors, and chemical fumes. On one side are pleated, non-woven fabric grooves for electrostatic and mechanical filtration, and on the back, the screened side is filled with activated charcoal granules, which takes care of gaseous impurities and pollutants in the air. This filter is a little more expensive to replace than the plain particle-only filter, and note that filters should be replaced about once every 6 months. When reinstalling it, the pleated side that's marked facing you should face out from the machine. The filter is also marked on top, insert this way, to prevent any confusion. Simply slip the filter back into the compartment and press the door closed. The 7-foot power cord on the unit is attached to the bottom left-hand side of the machine. This model is a smart device, so you can control it remotely from a smartphone app over Wi-Fi. Note though that it is only compatible with 2.4 GHz networks and not 5 GHz networks. After plugging the unit in, the LEDs on the control panel will light up blue. To activate Wi-Fi pairing, tap and hold the Wi-Fi button and it should start flashing slowly. Then proceed to the Blueair app and follow the directions to connect a product. Then on your smartphone, connect to the Classic Config Wi-Fi network and the Wi-Fi LED should stay a steady blue. The touch controls are not dimmable and don't turn off even when the control panel lid is closed, so as you can see, the blue light bleeds from the back of the panel. However, this light is not visible from the front when the panel is closed, even in a dark room. There is a small blue LED on the front of the machine, but it can be dimmed or turned off in the app, though not from the unit's physical controls. The fan can be set to low, medium, or high by tapping the power button. There's also an auto mode that uses built-in sensors to detect the amount of pollutants in the air and automatically adjusts the fan's speed to match the amount of filtration needed to clean the air. If you don't want the unit running on autopilot all the time, you can also create a custom schedule to run only during certain times or days and set up child lock to disable the manual controls. The various kinds of contaminants that it detects are PM1, PM 2.5, and PM 10, which are different sized particles. It also detects TVOC, or total volatile organic compounds, such as chemicals and vapors. In the app, levels for each contaminant are recorded on a graph that tracks them over time, showing you when there are spikes and how efficiently they are being removed by the Blueair filter. I feel these sensors work well, as they always show predictable increases in pollutant levels during and after activities like cooking, and when we were painting the dining room, we saw an expected increase in TVOC levels. The indicators on the control panel change from blue to orange when contaminant levels are detected as high, and it was pretty cool to see how fast these levels were remediated with the fan set to high. We typically saw levels return to low or undetectable within an hour or two. The 280i is a good fit for our space because it's rated for a maximum room size of 279 square feet, which is close to the largest single room that we have in this house. It can completely filter the air in a room of that size 5 times an hour. The smoke stop filter also does a nice job removing smells, odors, and vapors. For example, new paint smells from our renovation were less noticeable and completely eliminated in over just a few days. Since the air purifier draws air in from the back through the filter, be sure to leave enough clearance behind it so that airflow won't be blocked. Filtered air exhausts from the top of the unit, so try not to set the unit under anything that can get blown around. I feel the air is cleaner and fresher smelling too, and during the spring and summer months when there's a lot of pollen, I don't wake up stuffy-nosed or itchy-throated in the mornings. The best part is that when the unit is on low, sometimes I forget that it's even on until I walk past it and hear the gentle hum of the fan whirring. So this could be a good choice for use in a bedroom, especially for light sleepers. At the highest fan speed, it is louder, but no more so than a box fan or space heater would be. A filter status tracker in the app counts down from 180 days, so you'll know exactly when the filter should be replaced. Blueair offers an automatic refill subscription service that will automatically send you a new standard particle filter every 3, 6, or 9 months for a discounted cost. However, third-party vendors do offer compatible air filters as well, which can save you a little more, and I'll list a few options in the description below. Changing the filters is as easy as removing the old one and popping in a new one, though you may also want to wipe down any dust on the interior of the unit as well. Just look at all this dust and debris that it captured that we would have otherwise been breathing in. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the performance of this Blueair air purifier. It feels well made and durable, is quiet while operating, and our air quality does seem cleaner and fresher since we've started using it. Maintenance is simple and straightforward, and the app is user-friendly, giving you access to historical data, outside air quality reports, as well as temperature and humidity levels inside your home. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.